Am I the only one who didn't know that noodles can be super unhealthy? It's a common misconception that noodles, especially instant noodles, are just a quick and harmless meal option. Many of us have grown up enjoying them as a convenient snack or a quick fix for hunger pangs. But the reality is far more concerning than most of us realize. Noodles, they're quick, tasty, and oh so satisfying. Whether it's a cold winter night or a busy workday, a bowl of noodles can seem like the perfect solution. They come in various flavors and styles, making them a versatile choice for many. But have you ever stopped to think about what's really in that bowl? But here's the shocking truth. They might not be as harmless as you think. The convenience and taste come at a cost, and that cost is often hidden in the fine print of the ingredients list. Let's dive deeper into why noodles, particularly instant noodles, can be detrimental to your health. First off, most instant noodles are packed with sodium. Sodium is an essential mineral that our bodies need to function properly, but too much of it can lead to serious health issues. The seasoning packets that come with instant noodles are often loaded with salt to enhance flavor and preserve the product. We're talking about 800 to 1,200 milligrams per serving. To put that into perspective, the American Heart Association recommends no more than 2,300 milligrams of sodium per day, with an ideal limit of 1,500 milligrams for most adults. Just one serving of instant noodles can take up more than half of your daily sodium allowance. That's over half of your recommended daily intake. Consuming too much sodium can lead to high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. It can also cause your body to retain water, leading to bloating and weight gain. So, while that bowl of noodles might taste good, it's not doing your body any favors. Then there's the issue of MSG, monosodium glutamate. MSG is a flavor enhancer that's commonly added to processed foods, including instant noodles. It's known for its ability to make food taste more savory and delicious, but it's not without its controversies. While it's generally recognized as safe, some people are sensitive to it and can experience headaches or nausea. This sensitivity is often referred to as Chinese restaurant syndrome, though it can occur with any food containing MSG. Symptoms can range from mild discomfort to severe reactions, making it a concern for those who are sensitive. And let's not forget the preservatives and artificial flavors. These ingredients are added to extend the shelf life of the product and enhance its taste, but they come with their own set of health risks. Preservatives like TBHQ, tertiary butyl hydroquinone, and artificial flavors can have long-term effects on your health. These can contribute to long-term health problems if consumed too frequently. Studies have shown that regular consumption of processed foods with these additives can lead to issues like metabolic syndrome, obesity, and even certain types of cancer. It's a sobering thought, especially when you consider how often people turn to instant noodles for a quick meal. But don't worry, noodle lovers, there are healthier alternatives. You don't have to give up noodles entirely to maintain a healthy diet. There are plenty of options out there that can satisfy your noodle cravings without compromising your health. Try whole grain or vegetable noodles. These options are often lower in sodium and free from harmful additives. Whole grain noodles are made from whole wheat, which retains more nutrients and fiber compared to refined wheat. Vegetable noodles, made from ingredients like zucchini or sweet potatoes, offer a nutritious and low-calorie alternative. Or, better yet, make them from scratch with fresh ingredients. Making your own noodles allows you to control what goes into your meal. You can use fresh vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains to create a delicious and nutritious dish. Plus, homemade noodles can be a fun and rewarding cooking project. So, next time you're craving that noodle fix, think twice. Consider the ingredients and the potential health impacts before reaching for that packet of instant noodles. Your body deserves better, and with a little effort, you can enjoy noodles without the guilt. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. By making healthier choices, you can enjoy the comfort and satisfaction of noodles while also taking care of your health. It's a win-win situation that's worth the extra effort. Stay tuned for more food facts. We're here to help you make informed choices about what you eat. From debunking food myths to sharing healthy recipes, we've got you covered. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of health-conscious food lovers. Together, we can make better choices and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. Now that we've delved into the health implications of instant noodles, let's take a step back and explore the fascinating history of this beloved food. Noodles have been a staple in various cultures for centuries, and their evolution is a testament to their universal appeal. The origin of noodles is a topic of much debate among historians. Some believe that noodles were first invented in China over 4,000 years ago. In fact, the oldest known noodles were discovered in an archaeological site in China, dating back to 2000 BCE. These ancient noodles were made from millet, a type of grain that was commonly used in Chinese cuisine at the time. From China, the concept of noodles spread to other parts of Asia, including Japan and Korea, each region developing its own unique variations. In Japan, for instance, noodles are an integral part of the culinary culture, with varieties like ramen, soba, and udon, each offering distinct textures and flavors. Ramen, in particular, has gained international fame, becoming a global phenomenon with countless regional styles and preparations. Soba noodles, made from buckwheat, are known for their nutty flavor and are often served cold with a dipping sauce, making them a refreshing dish during the hot summer months. Udon noodles, on the other hand, are thick and chewy, typically served in a hot broth, providing a comforting meal during the colder seasons. In Italy, pasta, which is essentially the Western cousin of noodles, has its own rich history. The earliest records of pasta date back to the 13th century, though it is believed to have been introduced to Italy by Arab traders much earlier. Today, pasta is a cornerstone of Italian cuisine, with countless shapes and sizes, each suited to different types of sauces and dishes. From spaghetti to penne, each pasta shape is designed to hold and complement various sauces, creating a harmonious balance of flavors and textures. But what about the nutritional values of these different types of noodles? Traditional Asian noodles, such as soba and udon, tend to be lower in calories and higher in nutrients compared to instant noodles. Soba noodles, made from buckwheat flour, are a good source of protein, fiber, and essential minerals like manganese and magnesium. Udon noodles, made from wheat flour, provide a moderate amount of protein and carbohydrates, making them a satisfying and energy-boosting meal option. Whole grain pasta offers more fiber and nutrients than its refined counterparts, making it a healthier choice for pasta lovers. When it comes to choosing noodles, it's important to consider not only the type, but also the ingredients and preparation methods. Opting for whole grain or vegetable-based noodles can provide more nutritional benefits, while homemade or freshly made noodles often contain fewer preservatives and additives. By being mindful of these factors, you can enjoy the rich history and diverse flavors of noodles while also making healthier choices for your body. So, whether you're a fan of Asian noodles or Italian pasta, understanding their origins and nutritional values can help you make more informed decisions about what you eat. Next time you sit down to enjoy a bowl of noodles, take a moment to appreciate the rich history and cultural significance behind this humble dish. It's a culinary journey that spans continents and centuries, bringing people together through a shared love of delicious, comforting food. Stay tuned for more food facts. We're here to help you make informed choices about what you eat. From debunking food myths to sharing healthy recipes, we've got you covered. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Hit that subscribe button and join our community of health-conscious food lovers. Together, we can make better choices and enjoy a healthier lifestyle. Welcome back, food enthusiasts. In this chapter, we will delve into the health risks associated with consuming noodles regularly. While noodles are undeniably delicious and versatile, it's important to be aware of some of the potential downsides, especially when consumed frequently. First and foremost, let's talk about sodium content. Many instant noodles are notorious for their high sodium levels. A single serving can contain up to 1,800 milligrams of sodium, which is nearly the entire recommended daily intake for an average adult. Excessive sodium consumption can lead to a myriad of health issues, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and stroke. It's crucial to be mindful of this, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions. Next, we have preservatives. Instant noodles often contain various preservatives to extend their shelf life. These additives can include tertiary butyl hydroquinone, TBHQ, a petroleum-based product used to preserve processed foods. While TBHQ is generally recognized as safe in small amounts, consuming it regularly can potentially lead to adverse health effects such as nausea, vomiting, and even long-term issues like liver enlargement. Another concern is the impact on blood sugar levels. Instant noodles are typically made from refined wheat flour, which has a high glycemic index. This means they can cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, followed by a swift drop. Such fluctuations can lead to energy crashes and may contribute to the development of insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes over time. For those managing diabetes or trying to maintain stable energy levels, this is a significant consideration. But it's not all doom and gloom. Being aware of these risks allows us to make better choices. Opt for noodles made from whole grains, or explore vegetable-based alternatives. These options tend to have lower sodium content, fewer preservatives, and a more moderate impact on blood sugar levels. Additionally, incorporating plenty of vegetables and lean proteins into your noodle dishes can help balance your meal and provide essential nutrients. So, while indulging in a bowl of noodles now and then is perfectly fine, moderation and mindful choices are key to maintaining a healthy diet. Remember, understanding the potential health risks empowers you to make informed decisions about what you eat. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. We hope this information helps you enjoy your favorite foods while prioritizing your health. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful food facts and tips. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Stay healthy and see you in the next video. Welcome back, food enthusiasts. In this chapter, we will provide healthier alternatives to traditional noodles. With a little creativity, you can still enjoy your favorite noodle dishes while making choices that are better for your health. Let's dive into some delicious and nutritious options. First up, we have zucchini noodles, or zoodles. These are made by spiralizing fresh zucchini into noodle-like strands. Zoodles are not only low in calories and carbs, but they are also packed with vitamins and minerals. They make an excellent base for any sauce and can be enjoyed raw or lightly sautéed for a tender texture. Next, let's talk about whole grain noodles. Unlike refined wheat noodles, whole grain varieties retain their natural bran and germ, providing more fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Whole wheat pasta, brown rice noodles, and quinoa pasta are great options that offer a nutty flavor and a more gradual impact on blood sugar levels. For those looking for low-carb substitutes, shirataki noodles are a fantastic choice. Made from the konjac yam, these noodles are incredibly low in calories and carbohydrates. They have a unique, gelatinous texture and absorb the flavors of the sauces and ingredients you pair them with. Plus, they are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Another exciting alternative is spaghetti squash. When cooked, this versatile vegetable naturally separates into noodle-like strands. It's a great way to enjoy a pasta-like experience with a fraction of the calories and carbs. Spaghetti squash is also rich in vitamins A and C, making it a nutritious addition to your meals. Lastly, let's not forget about legume-based noodles. Noodles made from lentils, chickpeas, or black beans are high in protein and fiber, making them a satisfying and nutritious option. These noodles have a slightly different texture and flavor, but they pair wonderfully with a variety of sauces and toppings. By exploring these healthier alternatives, you can still savor your favorite noodle dishes without compromising your health. Remember, the key is to balance your meals with plenty of vegetables, lean proteins, and wholesome ingredients. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. We hope these alternatives inspire you to make mindful choices and enjoy delicious, nutritious meals. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful food facts and tips. Your support helps us continue to bring you valuable content. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.